Hello everyone, myself Shreyas Patne and I am going to present my seminar topic, that is cold mix technology using granite and rubber waste in a road construction. So these are the points which I have been covering in the following seminar. So first of all, the introduction, then objectives, then the literature review, then the problem statement, then the following is methodology, then the result, conclusion, future scope and references of my project. So first of all, that is introduction. So basically the cold mix technology, it is a mixture of unheated aggregates and emulsion mixed together at a room temperature, that is up to 10 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius. Then the advantages of my project is that as it is cold mix technology, so it eliminates heat and saves a lot of fuels, and it does not require a much apparatus, we said that instruments for the process. Then the next is as it eliminates the heat, so it does not require a large amount of fuel, so it is a low investment project. Then it is the payment quality is of good quality. Then the next are the objectives of my project. So as it a granite use waste, so it is a good stability in the road construction. Then as it is cold mix technology, so it eliminates about 1500 liters of fuel per kilometer of a road. So it eliminates up to 4000 kg of CO2 emission per kilometer in the atmosphere. Then the next is uh, as we use rubber and granite, so it gives more stability and more durability, about 50% higher than a hot mix road. Then the next part is literature review. So following are the main literature review part we have studied for our project. So the first is J Sudha and J Valentina and J Zach paper. Then second is OP Yadav and KR Manjunath. Then the third is R Chaudhar and AM Mondal and HS Kundal's paper. So these are the three main references we have referred for our project. Then the next is what are the problems we have eliminating by doing our project. So as we know that the road construction produce a large amount of noise pollution, air pollution as well as water pollution also. So we eliminating the main things from the environment, that greenhouse gases are been eliminating, then the noise pollution, then unsafety for the crew which we other they have building the roads. Then the next is uh, materials we have used for our project. So basically we have used four materials, that is first granite, then the second is anti-stripping agent, then the third is crumble rubber waste, and the fourth is emulsion. So next is the test we have performed on the materials which we have discussed. So the first are the test on materials. So basically there are three parts. The test on aggregate, that is further divided into impact test, abbreviation test and specific gravity and water absorption test. Then the next is test on design product. So we have design product, then we test is compression test and the bitumen emulsion test, that is anti-stripping agent test. Then the next is methodology we have proposed for our project. So that is firstly a design of a product and a cold mix, then determining the emulsion content, then fixing radiation means aggregate proportion, then the determining of pre-mixing, then rubber waste percentage, then the requirements, tests and the materials, and the detailed expansion of the materials is granite. The granite is a granular protonic rock, and the emulsion is a mixture of two or more liquids that are normally incompressible. Then next is the materials that are anti-stripping agent. The anti-stripping agent is the chemical which used for anti skidding purpose for the road, and the better adhesion provided for the binding material. Then the crumble rubber waste is the waste used from used tires of cars or vehicles. Then the next is the test on materials we have performed. So these are the tests we have performed by standard IS codes, referring the standard IS codes. The first is the aggregate impact value test. So this we have performed for the sudden impact values of the from the road. Then the crushing strength, uh, crushing value test, which we have performed in the compressive test machine. Then the next is the abrasion test we have performed in the Los Angeles machine for the finding of the wear and tear of the material. Then the specific gravity and water absorption test we have performed from the material. Then these are the results we get from our standard tests, and these are the results we have get within the IS limits. So as we can see here, the aggregate impact value test we have get is 17.47%. That is stronger than the normal aggregate we have used previously. Then the next is aggregate crushing value test is 23.43%. That is also means we get a standard test, standard value. Then the next is the specific gravity and water absorption test of the aggregate. So we get it between the range of 2.5 to 3, that is within IS limits. Then again this is Los Angeles test value, which we have give 28.51%. This is also within IS limits. So this is the final output of our project, that is our model. So first we mix with well, that is anti-stripping agent, granite and rubber waste and other aggregates, and a cold mix emulsion. Then we set it for a model within 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter square. Then we kept it for setting. Then we kept it for water absorption test for 24 hours, and this is the final appearance of our project. Then the next is the conclusion part. So after studying this, we get to conclude that by using granite and granites, it gives more stability for our road as compared to the basalt and other rocks, and it absorbs 0% of water, so it gives better resistance and abbreviation values. And we found that it is good for road construction with using rubber in a certain percentage, and it is heavy, and it is used for medium and heavy traffic roads. So these are the future scope of project, means what we have to do in our, means we study in future. So after that it is affordable, so as it eliminates heat and a lot of fuels we can save, so it is very affordable and is required less apparatus and setup. So we can do it anywhere in the small areas or remote areas also, and is helpful for anyone to get the reparation of the road in anywhere. Like we do the repair works in also summer seasons, winters and rainy seasons also. So next is the main part, that is necessity. What is the necessity of our project? So as we are in India, so we are living, getting 80% of the roads are of bitumen, so it generates a lot of heat in the environment for building of these roads. So we have eliminating this heating element from the roads. So this is the necessity, and it's also using, we are also using the waste rubber and the granite which we have thrown from the our purpose. So these are the references, main references which we have referred for our project. And the next, thank you for your valuable time.